Hello, my name is Jorge Ceballos with NM Tech Solutions. This is a quick guide on how to create a VPN connection on your personal PC to access files at the office. First, check you are connected to the internet, either wired or wireless. Then click on Network and Internet Settings. Click on VPN. If you don't have a connection here, or if the one that you have isn't working correctly, it's okay to make a duplicate and just name it differently. In this case, we're going to start with a brand new one. Click on Add a VPN connection. VPN provider is the default and only choice. The connection name can be anything you want it to be, but to keep things simple, I'm going to cut and paste this in both of these boxes. The VPN type is automatic, and our username and password is the type of sign-in that we're going to use. I recommend to uncheck this box right here so that it doesn't save your name and password. When your password does change, it'll start prompting you again anyhow. This also increases security and prevents accidental logins and risk to the Voice's data. At this point, click Save, and it'll now appear right here. You're ready to connect to the Voice's VPN, either by clicking Connect right here, or here from the Wi-Fi or network icon. So we'll do that now. First thing it'll do is ask you for your name. In this case, just for demonstration purposes, this is the demonstration user. You don't need to worry about entering a domain because you're connecting to nmvoices.org. Click OK, and a few seconds later you should be connected. If you have any trouble with this, please let me know. At this point, you can close this and you are ready to create two shortcuts or shortcuts to the server folders that you need access to. In order to do that, you can either right-click on your desktop and choose New Shortcut, or in File Explorer, choose a folder where you want to save those shortcuts. So in this case, we're going to create a new shortcut. We're going to call it, let's see, the location is going to be / above your Enter key. And you can do it in all caps, VFCSVR01. And for the share folder, I created a short version called share. Click Next, and this is what it'll name it. You can remove this if you like, but it might help to identify it in the future. Once we're finished naming the shortcut, you click Finish, and it appears right here. We're going to create a second home folder. As a matter of fact, let's delete these because they're just shortcuts. We're going to right-click once again, choose New Shortcut. Once again, VFCSVR01 / in the beginning, and then Home, which is a shortened version of folder redirection. Click Next and then Finish. You get to name this anything you like. So let's keep it the same as the other. Click Finish. You'll see that when you double click in here, you'll have only your folder. If you see anyone else's folder, let us know and we'll fix that. If we go to the share folder, we can see the shared files. That should be it for accessing your files from a Windows PC over VPN. Please let me know if you have any issues or questions, and I'll be happy to clarify. Thanks, and take care.